So if you have a virtual assistant and you want them to be able to have access to your account and maybe build websites or edit websites or maybe build out your email list, you can give access to your virtual assistant to your Builderall account. So where you want to go in your dashboard is up to Apps, Other, and VA Access. Okay, here's the VA Access panel. And what we want to do is, since we don't have any VAs in here, we want to go to New. And we want to enter the name of our assistant. Okay, now click Save. And as you can see, success, virtual assistant was created. This little message up on top. It'll have their name, the date created, their access key, the ability to copy the access key. You can click under tools and choose which tools they're gonna have access to. So under builders, you can click let's do the Cheetah website builder. And let's say we want, under email, we want Mailing Boss. That's the email marketing software within Builderall. I'm gonna click that as well. And we're gonna click save, get another message up here. Now we can enable or disable this at any time, so that we can take away access to our account by clicking the enable or disable button. As you can see, it'll show that it's disabled by everything being crossed out. When I click this and enable, of course, under here we go to the actual area. We can see how many virtual assistants we have and how they're logged in. This is just to show us what they're doing and who has access. Over here, we can edit the virtual assistant's name. And of course here we can click and trash it and get rid of the virtual assistant completely out of the account. So once you place the virtual assistant and give them access to your account, what you're going to do is going to go to the top and you're going to want to click the Builderall. This is the link you're going to send them to log in. And in a new window, we're going to go on incognito. I'm going to paste that in, and it's going to redirect them to the login area. And what we want to do is we want to go back to the VA access area and click this copy button. It's going to copy the access key. Now what we want to do is we want to give the access key to our virtual assistant as well as the email address linked to our own account. So let's go ahead and do that right now. When the VA goes to this login page, they're going to put in your email address that's linked to your account. And where the password is, instead of a password, they're going to paste their access code and click this box that says, "Are you a virtual assistant?" And then they're going to hit the sign in button. And as you can see, the menu pretty much looks like the menu that's in your account. However, they're going to be missing these menu buttons up here. And when they do start a project, they're only going to have the options over here to create a website, create a physical store, webinar, check out sales page, and create a members area. And since we only give them access to the Cheetah website builder and Mailing Boss email marketing software, under tools, these are the only two tools they're going to have access to. So this is a great way to share access with your virtual assistants and to allow them to build out projects based on what you choose they have access to. With that said, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to try Builderall, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.